Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to share details of Brinkin 25 Himalayan's handbag and its price. So if you are curious to know about the details, watch the video till the end. So let's check out the details. It is a classy handbag made and designed by Hermes, the popular brand. Brinkin is considered as a holy grail of the handbags. They are made with best quality leather by the company named Hermes. This 25 cm bag is most desirable and rarest handbag in the world. Let's check out the features of this handbag. Its size is about 10 by 8, like it has the 10 inches width, 8 inches height, and it is 5 inches deep bag. The it comes with package and it contains rain cover, clutches, key and locks, Hermes tissue and Hermes box. The pros of Brinkin 25 Himalayan handbags are it resembles the majestic look of snow-capped Hima and it designed artistically. The Brinkin handbags are crafted by trained and professional and is collecting phenomena. The handbag is considered the most stunning and desirable handbag in the world. While finding its price, we came across the bag is made by the best quality leather production by the French company and had broken record of being most expensive and desirable handbag in the Asia. The cons of Brinkin 25 Himalayan handbags are it is very expensive for the minimal customers and is currently unavailable and sold out on its online shopping portal, and it's said to be produced in a limited number and its size may be small for some people, that it is just 25 centimeter. So question is Brinkin 25 Himalayan handbag is legit? As we are discussing and searching out for the details regarding its price, we came across about the question either it's legit or a scam. So let's check out some other details. No doubt it is a bag that is stunner and considered as the most desirable bag in Asia. The bag was sold for $380,000 to Hong Kong customer and was rated as the most expensive bag of the year. It has a majestic look. The review section we are going through, we found that only people with good financial condition can buy this bag because it is very expensive, and a few website updated its review about how this bag was considered the most costly bag and was brought by Hong Kong buyers. So in our conclusion, we can say that it is really an expensive product, like people from middle family or middle class family could not buy this, and all the additional information on this bag provided above are authentic, and if you have any experience of using this bag, please do write about it. We love to hear from you.